How to contact Bitget Help Center. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to contact Bitget Help Center or contact Bitget Support Center. So in that case, what you have to do is you just have to go and log in into your Bitget account. And when you're logged in from the home page, you could go ahead and see this option as icon, headphones icon in the top right inside corner. Go ahead and press that. It's going to take you to the page where you can go and list out the questions and accordingly contact the support team. And at the same time, if you are unable to log in and want to contact the support team, then you could also use a web browser. So for that, exit out of the application and then on the web address bar type in www.bitget.support. When you actually go ahead and type in that, it's going to take you to the official page of the help center. Then you could go ahead and read the terms and condition and just follow the prompt on how you could go ahead and contact them. So by following the steps, you should be able to contact Bitget Help Center. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.